good morning. My name is P. Kiran Kumar. I am working as a school assistant at ZPH School, Burthanapalli. Now I teach degrees of comparison. My video lesson is quite useful to high school and intermediate students and to the aspirants of AP TET and TET-cum-TRT. Dear students, adjectives change in form to show comparison. They form degrees, namely positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. You know, adjectives are describing words. They describe nouns or pronouns. Dear students, let us learn the degrees of comparison. First one, positive degree. All root adjectives are called positive forms. These positive forms are used to denote the mere existence of some quality of what we speak about. The positive degree is used when no comparison is made. For example, Ravi is a tall boy. Here, tall is in the positive degree. Second one, comparative degree. The comparative degree of an adjective denotes a higher degree of quality than positive and is used when two things are compared. For example, Ravi is taller than Gopi. Here, taller is in the comparative degree. Third one, superlative degree. The superlative degree of an adjective denotes the highest degree of the quality when more than two things are compared. For example, Ravi is the tallest of all boys in the class. Here, tallest is in the superlative degree. Dear students, now let us get through the 6 types of comparison of adjectives. First one, comparison with ER and EST. For example, short, shorter, shortest, dark, darker, darkest. Second one, comparison with R and ST. Here adjectives and with E. For example, large, larger, largest, safe, safer, safest. Third one, comparison with IER and IEST. Here adjectives and with Y. Y replaces IER and IEST. For example, happy, happier, happiest, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Fourth one, comparison with double consonant plus ER and EST. For example, fat, fatter, fattest, dim, dimmer, dimmest. Fifth one, comparison with more and most. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Precious, more precious, most precious. Sixth one, irregular comparison. For example, bad, worse, worst, much, more, most, good, better, best. Dear students, let us learn the interchange of the degrees of comparison. First, model 1. Let us learn the model 1. It is also known as unique. Unique means being only one of its kind. Remember, only one. Distinctive. Observe the table. Observe the table. The phrase no other is always followed by a singular noun. The phrase no other is equivalent to the phrases any other plus singular noun in the comparative degree and the plus superlative form in the superlative degree. Dear students, let us get through the example of Model 1 or unique. Example, COVID-19 is the deadliest pandemic in this century. This is in superlative degree, deadliest. Now see the comparative degree. COVID-19 is deadlier than any other pandemic in this century. No other pandemic in this century is as deadly as COVID-19. Dear students, let us get through Model 2 or elite. Elite means a select group that is superior. Not only one, a select group that is superior. Dear students, observe the table. The phrase very few or few other is always followed by a plural noun. The phrase very few or few other is equivalent to the phrases many other or most other plus plural noun in comparative degree and one of the plus superlative form in superlative degree. Let us get through the examples of Model 2 or elite. For example, Covishield is one of the best vaccines in the world. This is superlative degree. Covishield is better than many other or most other vaccines in the world. This is comparative degree. Few other vaccines in the world are as good as Covishield. This is positive degree. Dear students, let us get through Model 3 or negative. Negative means not. Observe the table. The phrase some or some other is always followed by a plural noun. The phrase some or some other is equivalent to the phrases not plus comparative form plus some other plus plural noun in comparative form and not the plus superlative form in superlative degree. Dear students, let us go through the example of Model 3 negative. Example, Covaxin is not the most effective vaccine in India. Here, adjective is most effective. So, the sentence is in superlative degree. We have to convert the sentence into comparative and positive degrees. Covaxin is not more effective than some other vaccines in India. This is comparative degree. Some other vaccines in India are at least as effective as Covaxin. Dear students, let us go through Model 4 or comparison between two. First of all, observe the table. Only two objects are involved in this comparison. So, we cannot frame superlative degree. Negative or not exists only in one of the two. Let us get through the examples of Model 4 or comparison between two. For example 1, N95 mask is better than surgical mask. This is in comparative degree. We have to convert the above sentence in positive degree. Surgical mask is not as good as N95 mask. This is in positive degree. Example 2, black fungus is not more harmful than COVID-19. more harmful is comparative degree. Observe keenly, not exists in this sentence. COVID-19 is at least as harmful as black fungus, or COVID-19 is as harmful as black fungus. Dear students, so far I have explained the degrees of comparison, 6 types of comparison of adjectives and interchange of degrees of comparison. Now I shall drop an exercise for you. Convert the following as specified. First one, no other river in the world is so long as the Nile. This is in positive degree. Convert into superlative degree. The Nile is the longest river in the world. The answer is the Nile is the longest river in the world. Second one, art is longer than life. Convert into positive degree. It is in model for comparison between two. Life is not as long as art. Life is not as long as art. Express trains travel faster than passenger trains. Convert into positive degree. It is in comparative degree and it is also in model 4. passenger trains do not travel as fast as express trains. Passenger trains do not travel as fast as express trains. Fourth one, Indus Valley civilization is one of the best civilizations in the world. It is in superlative degree. We have to convert into comparative degree. Indus Valley civilization is better than many other civilizations in the world. Indus Valley civilization is better than many other civilizations in the world. Keats died, fifth one, Keats died younger than most other romantics. We have to convert into positive and superlative degree. Keats died one of the youngest of other romantics. This is superlative degree. Very few romantics died as young as Keats. Very few romantics died as young as Keats. Dear friends, I hope you like this video. Drop a like, share and subscribe to my channel by tapping the bell icon. Thank you one and all.